Welcome back to part 2. Today we drove all the way to the Whirlpool Aero Car parking lot, which is free, and walked to the Niagara Glen to begin the trail.
So we're just walking past the Whirlpool one that we entered. Whirlpool Trail. Today we have at least another 2 kilometers to go for the Niagara Glen. So we're just walking for now. All right, we made it to the Glen. We're just gonna go down and start our hike.
To get there.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're down, starting our hike. There's multiple viewpoints. Last time I was only able to do 5 minutes or 10 minutes at most, but this one we're gonna hit this trail and go to Whirlpool Trail
Where we were yesterday.
along the gorge.
And then
So
just climb up that way.
yeah, so it's gonna be a fun walk. So guys, this is where the trail splits. We're gonna be soon taking this trail to go back to the gorge. Yeah. Spectacular view. So peaceful. So guys, one thing I keep noticing all along is there's lots of rock climbers. Seems fun, but for this I think you need to have a next level fitness. So guys, so we follow Eddy Trail. It's a fish symbol.
It's a blowfish.
And it's a blue fish. As you walk, you'll see it splits into Whirlpool, and we're almost here.
The Whirlpool is just like a Whirlpool sign that's purple, so you kind of switch to that trail. And what we've noticed is that when you're walking on the outside on the pavement, it took us a lot longer.
A lot longer, yeah.
But that's, I can understand, because there's a lot of the parkings and stuff. So you're actually like walking around.
Yeah.
Whereas here, you're just walking.
So this, I thought it was going to be a tough hike for us, but
no, this is like
we're here.
15 minutes.
Yeah, so we were down here yesterday, okay? Not necessarily exactly here, but on the other side. But to me, that should not be a tough walk for us from here.
Yeah.
So... we're walking along. I find it to be a little easier than walking out on the streets. So we're almost near the base of the gorge. Yeah. you okay?
Can I take out my...
We did it.